Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, yesterday IDBA PGDF AM interview call letters out. So which are the documents required for IDBA PGDF AM interview 2021? We going to see in this video, and a few important points regarding interview also we going to see in this video. See friends, already I made one video regarding do's and don'ts on interview. See friends, one important point I was missed on that video. See friends, only one thing. So while you are entering into the interview panel room, so don't put your face like pressurized, sad. So avoid this one, pressurized face and sad face. Try to keep one smile on your face. Every time you put some smile on your face. See friends, if you don't have smile on your face, what will happen? I will explain now. Recently one of my friends, he done his interview. So he is from executive to AM batch. He is from executive to AM. So he went with something like pressurized face inside the panel room, so inside the interview room. Then they asked regarding why your face so sad. First question is, why your face so sad? So how come you are managing with this face to customers? See friends, so don't divert panel members to this type of questions. So you they will get very bad impression on you. So try to keep one smile on your face. Be cool, calm, be pleasant minded. Okay, avoid this thing. Don't put sad face, don't put pressurized. Okay, try to reach 1 or 2 hours before the venue time. Okay. See friends, which are the documents required for IDBI interview we going to see in this video now. See friends, first of all, whatever the mail you are received from IDBI end, so that one you take one printout. Okay, that is the first point. And second one, printout of the whatever the reprint option will come. So reprint option IDBI going to be enabled from 18th onwards. So if you not taken application reprint, so you can take on 18th. Okay, that also required. Whatever the application you filled at the time of form filling, that application also required. Third one, see friends, SSC certificate, right? 10th class one, and after then 12th class mark sheet required. And after then, see friends, semester wise degree. In degree, semester wise all mark sheets are required, and your provisional degree also required, this one only. And 12th one, after then degree one, after then see friends, provisional degree certificate, final degree, conversion. See friends, many of you have CGS and GPS system, like GPS marks. So there is a conversion sheet, that conversion sheet also required, that one only given here. See friends, again mark sheet and certificate of post graduation, if you have done any PG, so that one it is required. And if the final result of graduation is, see friends, there is a cutoff date prior to application filling. So that cutoff day, if you have like your cutoff day is yesterday, you are applied today, means you have to like you have to submit that one also, like that mark sheet date also. So that one only this point. And see friends, here if you would have been done anything like prior to this one, prior to this interview, that work experience certificate is required. If you have done anything and you left that job, means that work experience certificate is required. If nothing is there, so no need to worry about it, you can leave that one. And here you can see friends, SC, ST, OBC, many people who are in OBC category. So for OBC, at least 1 year old, means at least 6 months, latest 6 month old one, it is okay, caste certificate. For OBC candidate, any caste certificate, it is valid 1 year. So 1 year caste certificate, it is valid for OBC candidates. Who are in SC, ST, sir, you have central format caste certificate, means it is how many years old also, no issue, you can submit at the time of interview. For EWS candidates also, try to get it latest one, latest to caste certificate, latest to caste certificate. See friends, who don't have caste certificate in central format, no need to worry about it. Try to take state format, whatever you have, take that one to interview, and meanwhile apply for the central format one. Apply for the central format. They will accept. Whichever the documents are not available with you, just tell them you are applied for that one, and they will accept whichever the document is not with you. One more important valid point friends, many people are working in so and so X or Y Z organization. So for you are entering in this interview means just you get it NOC, you get it NOC. Okay, non objection certificate you get it from your current employee. Okay friends, so all the best to each and everyone who have got this interview call letters mail. See friends, RT-PCR, one more important thing, that is RT-PCR. So this is 72 hours before your interview. So at least 72 hours before to your interview you have to take RT-PCR negative report. RT-PCR negative report. If you have still any queries, you can put a mail to pgd@idbi.co.in. If you have still any doubt regarding this recruitment or other things, you can put mail to pgd@idbi.co.in. Do perform in interview. Interview almost 20 percentage is there, and interview rejection also there friends. So for SC ST it is 45 marks required for 100, and for OBC EWS and general candidate it is 50 marks out of 100 marks. So 20% weightage. Who are got less marks in written examination, they can score more here also. So after adding this 20% they will give you merit list. They will give you merit list. See friends, many of you saying that I don't know about banking awareness, so either I need to attend or not. Means, see friends, if you know banking awareness or not, that is secondary thing. First thing is you have to attend the interview. See, at least you will get some idea about interview. So for that purpose you have to attend interview. Sometimes there is no question from banking awareness end also. So don't think that IDBI PGDF it is like if you attend IDBI PGDF EAM interview means you can you have simultaneously IBPS RRB PO also, RRB PO interview also, and IBPS. In future also you may clear IBPS also. So that time also this interview will help you. This interview will help you. So for that purpose I am saying that this is small request from my end. Try to attend the interview. My best wishes to all you guys. Perform well. In IDBI 2018 PGDF case, they recruited all people. So don't think that you got less marks in written examination. So try to perform well. You will be in merit list or waiting list. You will be in merit list or waiting list. All the best to each and everyone. Thank you for your support. Take care friends. Bye friends.